To charge the MoriPods, first we need to remove the sticker from the base of the MoriPods itself. So there's a sticker over here. Make sure you peel it off. You can repeat for the other earbuds. So you can see these are the two stickers that is sticking onto the contact points for charging. If these are not removed, then you will not be able to charge the MoriPods. So let's put it back into the charging case itself. Next, let us charge the charging case and the MoriPods. We will use a power bank, as there is no power adapter that comes in box with the Haylou MoriPods. So this is the USB-C cable that came in box together with the MoriPods, and we'll plug it to the 1 ampere USB port on the power bank. We prefer to use a 1 ampere USB port to charge the MoriPods charging case and the earbuds itself. If you want to use a power adapter, make sure that it is a reputable power adapter that will not damage the charging case or the earbuds itself. So on the USB-C cable, plug it into the charging case, and when it is charging, you can see that there will be a red LED lit up. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the MoriPods itself, and after charging, or when it's fully charged, the red LED will disappear. And so this is how you charge the MoriPods together with the charging case. Next, we will show you how to do a factory reset for your Haylou MoriPods. First, let's remove the MoriPods or earbuds from its charging case. You can see that it is now connected to our mobile phone. Next, you need to press 5 times simultaneously on the left and right earbuds together to do a factory reset. So let's do that. And you can see on our mobile phone that the MoriPods will now be disconnected, indicating that the factory reset has been completed. The next step is to unpair the Haylou MoriPods. And if you were to select the Haylou MoriPods again, there will be a Bluetooth pairing request. So you can pair the MoriPods again. And now it is connected. So this is how you do a factory reset for your Haylou MoriPods and get it paired again with your mobile phone.